electric bills or fluctuating air quality? That's the choice businesses typically have to make when selecting a refrigerant dryer. But the time for compromises is over. Meet the Pneumatech AC VSD, the refrigerant dryer that lets you have it all. Unprecedented energy savings, a continuous supply of high-quality air, and a small carbon footprint. How did we do it? Let's take a closer look. The AC VSD comes with variable speed drive technology. By matching your air demand, the VSD refrigerant dryer allows you to achieve energy savings of up to 60%. The AC VSD's patented heat exchanger was designed to reduce air pressure drop to lower your operating costs. It's also much more compact than the heat exchanger of thermal mass dryers. Thermal mass dryers offer modest energy savings by switching between running on the refrigerant compressor and running on a pre-cooled thermal mass. However, this cycling causes their dew point to rise and fall. As a result, your air quality goes up and down by up to 2 air purity classes. The AC VSD gives you a steady low dew point and a consistent supply of Class 4 purity air. And unlike a thermal mass dryer, the AC VSD delivers energy savings even in high ambient temperatures of up to 46 degrees Celsius. The AC VSD uses the R410A refrigerant, which is GWP gas regulation compliant. And thanks to its superior efficiency, the AC VSD emits up to 65% less CO2 in total equivalent warming impact compared to fixed speed dryers. That, in turn, helps you meet your emission and environmental goals. The advanced Pure Logic controller allows you to monitor and control your AC VSD and optimize the dryer's efficiency and reliability. And with an Icon's remote monitoring plan, you can get data and insights from your Pure Logic controller delivered to your computer, tablet, or smartphone. All this innovative technology takes up surprisingly little space. The AC VSD is a compact, unassuming presence on your work floor. Each of these features would make the Pneumatech AC VSD an upgrade to traditional dryers. Combined in one package, they are proof that you really can have it all. Substantial energy savings, a higher air quality and production reliability, and a reduced environmental impact. So why compromise when you can have a Pneumatech AC VSD?